Ideally, I work on it for installing it, but I decided to do it so you guys can see it. I want to go through the process of wrapping my mannequin before starting to work on the hair, so I decided to use myself as a model. Hello Sassy family, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Sass Club with your girl Rachel. I'm so glad to be with you guys here. I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. Thank you for being here. If you are new to my channel, like my video, share my content, leave your comments in the comment section. If you are a returning viewer, I'm so happy, I'm so appreciative of your presence on my channel. Don't forget to like my video, share it and like it. Okay, so today's video is really to show you guys how I transform this Mexican curl wig unit into a really posh looking wig. I know it looks nasty and all tattered, it's not looking proper. So I've already washed this wig unit and conditioned it so it's all clean and nice, no dirt or no residue of product on it. So I will be going ahead to show you guys how I transform it from this to posh looking new envious beginning. Don't go away, let's get into it. So for today's wig install, I'm going to be using the olive oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. I hear it's really nice, so I'm really excited to try because I like olive oil products. The products are really good and are easy to find and also cheap. They're also cheap, so I decided to try this. So let's get into this wig install. I have used this wig a million times. It does shed a lot and tangle, but I do like it because it was a 300-gram wig unit, so no matter how it sheds and tangles, it still remains full. And as you guys know, I love my full hair, so I don't want to melt my net, so I'm just going to go with this. Important to clean off the makeup or any residue of hair product in your hairline, so that the spray or whatever product you're using to lay your lace would actually be very effective. So now I usually use water and my conditioner mixed with a bit of water, and I just go in with portions of the hair. The funny thing about this hair is that the frontal is of less quality than the bundle, so it's a disappointment and really difficult to keep up with, but I love my full hair. So ideally I work on it for installing it, but I decided to do it so you guys can see it. I want to go through the process of wrapping my mannequin before starting to work on the hair, so I decided to use myself as a model and also to test to see how strong this olive oil spray is, and it seems like it did a great job because so far there's been no lifting yet. Just to make sure that all the strands are wet. One important thing is if you're dealing with curly hair, it's important to use a big toothed comb. You cannot use a brush, you will damage your hair. You must find a big toothed comb to deal with all your curly hair or even kinky hair. It's better. And you also, I've realized that combs these days, sometimes I change combs like every 3 months, because before you know what's happening, the teeth have become a bit damaged and they start causing your hair to shed. So if your hair is shedding constantly and you think you have good hair and you're wondering why it's shedding, check your comb or your brush. It might be it. Boy, I'm telling you, this olive oil spray is really good. It feels like this wig unit is installed on my head. It feels like it's a sewing. That's how immovable this shit is. This wig is. Damn, I'm impressed. Oh, got to be good. Got competition. Better watch your back, babes. Watch your back. Got to be. Watch your back. Got competition. The curly hair is quite difficult to maintain. Actually, more difficult to maintain than the straight hair or wavy hair. I'm absolutely proud of olive oil. How did I not know about this earlier on? Still baffles me. Feel how this unit is becoming gorgeous by the minute. I'm sure you all can't believe that it was that Raz looking hair. Okay, now I'm going in with my Freida frizz serum. This serum gives my life. I've been using it for the past almost 15 years. This is the only serum I use on my hair, just to give the hair some shimmery glow. It's also the Freida heat protector that I use on my weaves. It's amazing. I totally recommend this if you're a wig person. If you ever use wigs, this serum is a total go-to. And it's affordable too, and it lasts. I get the 50 ml. So yeah, but when it comes to the hair serum, it's important to apply it generously, like I say. Because can you see my curls returning? Can you see how gorgeous this hair is looking? You will think this is a new unit, whereas it's almost a year old. Yes, you cannot believe it, how gorgeous it still looks. Can you see how gorgeous this hair is looking? I mean, I know that I am fire when it comes to revamping wigs, or taking care of my hair, but if I do say so myself at the risk of sounding proud, it's the truth. It's the truth, okay? A baby girl is good with hair. Because I love hair, so whatever I love, I learn to care for it. Everything. I care for everything I love. So I love you guys, and that's why I give you great content, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's how it works. If you love something, you gotta care for it. This hair is all retangled now. You can see how my rachaelukor comb is pulling through effortlessly. Yeah. Going with some water. And you even believe that this is the same hair I was holding a few minutes ago, beginning of this video. But yes, this is it. So now I will just trim some of the hoops, just like I would my natural hair, to keep it that nice. And the only hair I don't trim is layered hair. If it's in layers, then it was meant to not be equal. But can you see this hair now? And this is what we call magic. Yo, magic. But can you see the roots? You see how laid it is. See how the comb, that even the rachaelukor comb pulls through is so effortlessly, right? Yes, that's what I am talking about. I'm not even mad that my shirt is all wet now. I can't be mad at this hair, really. See? And this is hair. So now let's go in with the baby hairs. I love my baby hairs. I like them quite short. Get a brush or anything of that sort. You can use a rat tail comb as well. So then finally I'm going with some of the spray again. Just to spray all the places where most have lifted. I like to put some most on them so they stay in place all day when I'm out, because when the mousse dries it sort of gives a firm hold to the hair. Swipe down on the hair so that even when it dries it still stays laid. Okay, you all know how I do it. Yeah. Sass family, this is what we'll call a wig transformation. Okay, this is what we'll call a wig. See how laid this baby is. I mean, there are many ways I could style this hair. I could style it up, you know, give me that baby girl look. Or I could just leave it be. But for now, I'm just gonna lay it back and let it stay laid. So, have you used any of those products, especially the olive oil one before you transformed your wig? What did you do to transform it? Did you use any of the products I've used? Let me know in the comment section. What do you think of my wig transformation? And don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. This is me shutting down with this marvelous wig transformation. If you like what you see and want to see more content like this, you let me know what your thoughts are about this beautiful video with this beautiful girl in it. All right, I will see you in my next video. I love you for watching. Bye.